At Panasonic, we and our airline customers are pioneering the future of air travel. We're engaging passengers with unique and personalized experiences, building loyalty and building brands on hundreds of thousands of flights at every seat, every day, around the world, to guarantee availability, to maximize uptime, and to ensure you get the most value from our entire ecosystem of in-flight entertainment and connectivity offerings. We built a world-class support organization. For over 25 years now, Panasonic Technical Services has been supporting customers with a global network of repair and line maintenance stations backed by numerous national authority approvals. The best people, technologies, and processes to ensure peak system performance. With us, you get confidence and peace of mind knowing you have service and support from the people who know your system the best. And because we're the OEM, having us maintain your system completes the cycle with direct engagement between you and our product teams. It's a reimagined ownership experience with one mission: your success. Together, we can achieve the highest passenger satisfaction, more engagement, higher NPS, and greater frequent flyer loyalty. That's Panasonic Technical Services, a trusted partner wherever you fly and whenever you need us.